Hello there, this is Russ and Pro Steam, and the purpose of this video is to try and explain why I charge more than your average or below average carpet cleaning service. Okay, today we're working on an end of tenancy carpet, and obviously the carpet's got to be clean to a high standard in order for the tenant to get their deposit back. Now, what we don't do, we don't just walk into a property, throw down as much chemical as possible, chuck a load of chemical in the tank of the machine and start spraying and extracting. No. That is the wrong way to do it. It's the cheapest way. And but we're not cheap. And the reason why we're not cheap is because the first thing we do is we use one of these when we walk into a property. Okay, this is a ultraviolet light. It's a very expensive torch that allows us to see things like this. Okay, that could be urine. It's likely to be food or drink, protein based. Okay, and that is under normal light, you'll never see it. Okay, but it's very important to deal with these areas first, okay, because if we don't, we're going to have problems with odour, okay. And moving up the stairs, we will scan the stairs, and there you go, areas that are fluorescing under UV torch. Okay, I have already been up here, so I know exactly where the problem areas are, and here as well. Okay, so the reason why we are more expensive is because you just get a more thorough clean. Okay, we don't charge 15 quid a room like some of these people. All right, and if you don't want to pay any more than that, it's probably pointless even calling us or emailing us. Okay, if you want a decent job done and you want it thorough and you want a full receipt to provide, to produce to your landlord, then you need to maybe consider using Pro Steam. Right, let's get on with this job and we'll come back to it when it's done. Right, we're on our second stage now. Second stage is applying our pre-spray and working that pre-spray in with a rotary and a bonnet. And at this stage, we should see quite a difference in the appearance of the carpet. Okay, this is where all the cleaning happens, folks. Okay, and those cheap guys out there who are charging 15, 20 quid a room will not use one of these. They'll turn up, they won't even vacuum the carpets. They'll go straight in with the most powerful cleaning products they can find, and then they'll throw a load of it in the tank of the machine, and they'll just saturate the carpets using loads of water, loads of electricity. They're not working efficiently, okay? And our method will ensure that not only are your carpets clean and sanitised, right, but we will use less water to flush out all that dirt. Okay, and that means less water means quicker dry times. Right, let's just stop there. Okay, now the carpet is looking good at this stage. We know it's going to look good when we start extracting. Right, this is the extraction stage. Okay, we're not relying on chemicals in the tank to clean the carpet. Instead, we're using just plain water and a little bit of deodorizer. Okay, all the cleaning was done in the previous stage. Just look at the heat coming off that wand. Okay. Heat cleans better. You wouldn't imagine cleaning your washing up, or doing your washing up with cold water, would you? And the same applies to cleaning carpets. Heat most definitely helps to achieve a better result. that's the job complete. As you can see, the carpet is clean. Unfortunately, it is damaged in places. There's nothing we can do about that. The previous tenant had a cat and it's damaged all around the sides, but at the end of the day, it's as clean as it's ever going to be. And once this dries, which will be a few hours, it'll be ready for the new tenant to move in. So there you have it.